Welcome to English Travel Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a baseball stadium in America. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between a couple, Ken and Lily, and the stadium staff. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So, here is today's question. What is the name of the song people sing during the seventh inning stretch? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Wow, look at this place. It's so big.
Welcome. Can I see your ticket, please?
Sure, here you go.
Great, thank you. Enjoy the game today.
This stadium is bigger than any place I have seen before.
Yeah, it holds a lot of people. It gets very loud here.
I can already tell. There's so many shops around, too.
People love the team shirts and hats. They sell a lot of those.
And that food stand line is already so long.
A lot of people come early just for the food here.
Really? In Japan, we usually focus on cheering. We don't eat that much during the game.
That's interesting. Here, food is a big part of the day.
I guess every country enjoys the game a little differently.
That's true. Oh, one more thing. If a foul ball comes near your seats, you can catch it.
Wait, we can keep it?
Yes, you can keep it. It's a nice thing to remember the day. You don't have to give it back.
That's so nice. I didn't know that.
A lot of people bring gloves just for that reason.
I hope one flies right to me then.
Good luck. Where is your seat today?
Somewhere close to the field, I think. Lily has the tickets.
Nice. Is she here with you?
She went ahead to look at the team shop. I told her I would catch up.
She won't be hard to find. That shop is just past the gate.
Good. I'll head there now. Thank you for all the tips, Mia.
Anytime. Enjoy the game.
I will. This is already more exciting than I thought.
Wait until the game starts. It gets even better.
I can't wait. I feel like a kid again.
Good for you. Have a great time today.
Thanks again. I'll go find her now.
Hi there. What can I get for you today?
2 hot dogs and 1 order of garlic fries, please.
Great choice. Coming right up.
Thank you. Everything here smells so good.
People here eat a lot at baseball games.
I can see that. The lines are so long everywhere.
Yeah, food is a big part of watching a game here.
Ken is from Japan. He said people mostly watch and cheer there.
Interesting. Here, it's part of the fun. You watch, you talk, you eat.
I like that. It makes the whole day feel bigger.
Fun fact, baseball fans eat about 20 million hot dogs at games every year.
Wow, 20 million? That's a huge number.
It really is. Hot dogs and baseball just go together.
I believe it. Look at this line behind me.
Here you go, 2 hot dogs and your garlic fries.
Thank you so much. This looks amazing.
Enjoy. Try the fries while they're still hot.
Oh, these smell amazing already.
A lot of people say that. It's part of the experience.
Do you sell this every day, Diego?
Every home game, yes. It gets busy fast.
I bet. There must be a lot of stands like this.
There are stands all around the stadium. You can smell them everywhere.
That explains why this whole place smells so good.
Ha, it really does. People love the smell of grilled onions.
I do too. Thank you again for the food.
You're welcome. Enjoy the game.
I should find him before the food gets cold.
Good luck finding him in this crowd.
He should be easy to spot. He's probably still talking to someone.
Have a great game today.
Thanks, Diego. You too.
Sorry that took a while. I showed my ticket and heard a fun fact from a staff member named Mia.
No problem. I got us hot dogs and garlic fries, too.
Perfect timing. I'm starving now. What do you think of these seats?
I love them. We can see everything from here.
The players look so small from up here.
They do, but you can still see everything happening.
What's that music? It's really loud.
They play music between plays. It keeps everyone excited.
I like it. It makes the place feel alive.
Look, the game's starting. Here comes the first pitch.
This is it. I've been waiting for this.
Wow, look at that. Wait, do you see that big costume near the seats?
What is that? It's some kind of animal.
That's the team mascot. He walks around during the game.
Look at him dancing. That's so funny.
Mascots never talk. They just do funny things in costume.
Really? He never says a word?
Never. It's all about funny faces and silly moves.
That's a fun way to make people laugh without talking.
Exactly. Kids love it especially.
Look, he's high-fiving people in the front row.
He does that every game. It's part of the show.
This is way more fun than I expected.
See? There's always something happening here, even between plays.
I can't stop watching him instead of the game.
That happens to a lot of people.
Oh, wait, look, he's coming this way.
Wave at him. He loves it when people wave.
Ha, this is great. I love this place.
Told you? There's so much more than just baseball here.
Does he do this the whole game?
Pretty much. He walks around a few times each game.
I hope he comes back later.
He usually does, especially between innings.
I want to take a picture with him if he comes close.
A lot of kids ask him for pictures too.
This day just keeps getting better.
Wait until you see what happens later. There's even more fun coming. Now, let's take a short break here. We are going to practice some useful words from today's video. We have 5 words today. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first word is stadium, meaning a big place where people watch sports. For example, we watched the game at the stadium. The second word is crowd, meaning a large group of people together. For example, the crowd cheered very loudly. The third word is mascot, meaning a costume character that entertains fans. For example, the mascot danced near our seats. The fourth word is foul ball, meaning a ball that flies outside the play area. For example, Ken hoped to catch a foul ball. The fifth word is walk off, meaning a hit that ends the game right away. For example, that home run was a walk-off. Great work! That's all for today's word practice. Now, let's go back to Ken and Lily at the stadium.
Whoa, everyone around us is standing up.
Ken, stand up. It's time for the stretch.
What stretch? What's happening?
Everyone stands up in the middle of the 7th inning.
Really? Why do people do that?
We stretch our legs and then everyone sings a song together.
A song? What song?
It's called Take Me Out to the Ball Game. Listen, it's starting now.
Oh, wow. Everyone really is singing.
Come on, sing with us. Just follow along.
I don't know the words yet.
Don't worry, just repeat after everyone else.
Okay, I'll try. This is fun already.
People have done this for a long, long time. They have sung this song since the early 1900s.
That's a long time. It's still popular after all these years.
Yeah, everyone knows it here. Even little kids sing along.
I feel like part of the crowd now.
That's why we do it. Everyone stands and sings together.
I love how loud everyone is singing.
Wait for the end. Everyone shouts the team name.
Oh, really? Let's hear it.
Here it comes. Get ready to shout with us.
Okay, I'm ready.
That was so much fun. Did you like it?
I loved it. I never sang at a baseball game before.
Now you have. This is one of my favorite parts of coming here.
I can see why. It brings everyone together.
Exactly. Now let's sit back down. The game is starting again.
Okay, I'm ready to watch some more baseball.
My legs feel much better after that stretch.
Mine too. Sitting for a long time is tiring.
That's part of why they do it, I think.
It makes sense. A quick break for everyone.
And a fun song makes it even better.
I already want to sing it again next time.
Ha, there's always a next time here.
Look at that big screen. It's showing people in the crowd.
Oh no, I think that's the kiss cam.
The what?
It's called the kiss cam. It happens during breaks in the game.
What does it do exactly?
The camera finds couples in the crowd and shows them on the screen.
And then what happens?
Everyone hopes the couple will kiss. People cheer when they do.
Wait, where on the screen?
Yes, look up, it's really us.
Everyone is looking at us and cheering.
Come on, don't be shy. Everyone is waiting.
This makes me shy, but it's fun too.
Just smile and wave first.
Okay, here we go.
The crowd is getting louder. They really want us to kiss now.
All right. Let's give them a good show.
Good for you.
The whole stadium is cheering for us now.
See, this kind of thing happens all the time here.
I never imagined this would happen at a baseball game.
It's one of my favorite parts of coming to a game.
I can see why. It's a fun surprise.
The camera already moved to another couple.
Ha, good. My heart is still beating fast.
That was fun, right?
It really was. I'll remember this forever.
Me too. Let's watch the rest of the game now.
Okay, I wonder what else will surprise us today.
Did you see everyone laughing around us?
Yeah, the couple next to us was laughing so hard.
I think everyone loves watching the kiss cam.
It really brings the whole crowd together.
That's exactly why people love coming to games here.
I'm glad it wasn't just a quiet screen for scores.
Definitely not. There's always something fun happening.
Okay, the score is so close now. This is the last inning.
I know. Both teams are tied. This is so exciting.
My hands feel a little sweaty right now.
Same here. This is the most important part of the game.
Here's the batter. Everyone is standing up now.
I can barely watch. Come on, come on.
He's swinging. Look at that ball.
It's going. It's going. It's out. Home run.
Wait, what just happened? Everyone is going crazy.
That's a walk-off. The game just ends right there.
What does walk-off mean exactly?
When the home team scores the winning run like that, the game ends right away.
So the whole game just stops because of one hit?
Exactly. No more innings. The home team wins immediately.
That's amazing. I've never seen anything like this.
Look at the players. They're all running to home plate.
The whole team is jumping around him.
This is one of the best moments in baseball.
The crowd noise is so loud, I can barely hear you.
I know. Everyone is standing and cheering.
This is the best ending to a game I could imagine.
Fireworks are starting too. Look up.
Wow, this whole day just keeps getting better and better.
I'm so glad we came today.
Me too. I'll never forget this moment.
Come on, let's watch the fireworks a little longer before we go.
Yes, let's stay right here for a few more minutes.
I've never seen you this excited before.
I'm just too excited. That was amazing to watch.
The whole stadium felt like one big family for a second.
I felt that too. Everyone was hugging strangers around them.
That's what a walk-off win does to a crowd.
I want to feel this again someday.
We will. Games like this don't happen every time, but they're worth waiting for.
That walk was a lot longer than I remembered.
What a day, right? How are you feeling?
Really, I'm still thinking about everything that happened.
What was your favorite part?
That's a hard question. There were so many great moments.
True, but if you had to pick just one thing?
I think it wasn't really about the game itself.
What do you mean?
I loved singing the song, eating the hot dog, and the kiss cam more than watching the plays.
Really? Not the walk-off home run?
That was amazing too, but the fun parts were what made the day special.
That's the best part of a baseball game in America.
I understand that now. It's about everything that happens, not just who wins.
Back home, you said people mostly focus on the game itself.
Yeah, and I liked that too, but this felt different in a good way.
I'm happy you enjoyed it so much.
I really did. I want to come back again soon.
We definitely will. There's always another game.
I can't wait for the next one already.
Me too. Let's go get some rest now.
Sounds good. Today was one of the best days I've had here.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What is the name of the song people sing during the seventh inning stretch? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. If you want to study more, this channel also has a membership. Members get a special study guide PDF for every episode. Each PDF has the key words, useful phrases, and extra quiz questions that are not in the video. You can find the link in the description below. If you really want to improve your English, please give it a try. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.